In today's video, I'll show you how to add Zoom meetings in Acuity Scheduling step by step. If you want your clients to automatically receive a Zoom link when they book an appointment, this setup will save you time and keep everything organized. First, log into your Acuity Scheduling account and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, open the Integrations or Connected Accounts section from the left-hand menu. This is where you connect external tools. Now look for the Zoom integration option. Click Connect Zoom Account. You will be redirected to Zoom's login page. Sign in with your Zoom account and allow Acuity Scheduling to access it. After authorization, return to Acuity and confirm that Zoom is successfully connected. Next, go to Appointment Types and select the service you want to use for Zoom meetings. Scroll down to the location settings. Choose Zoom Meeting as the meeting location instead of in-person or phone. Now save your changes. From this point forward, every time a client books that service, Acuity will automatically generate a unique Zoom meeting link. The link will be sent to both you and the client through the confirmation email, so no manual setup is needed. Before finishing, test the booking process to ensure the Zoom link appears correctly in the appointment details. If anything is missing, double-check that Zoom is properly connected and permissions are enabled. And that's it. You've successfully added Zoom meetings in Acuity Scheduling and automated your online appointments. And that's how you add Zoom meetings in Acuity Scheduling. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.